Welcome to MarineMax in Summers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr, and today we're going to take a walkthrough of this brand new 2022 Sailfish 220 center console. Starting up here in the bow of the boat, you can see very spacious. I'm 6'2", I can fit up here comfortably. I can have 2, maybe 3 other people sitting up here as well. Great family kind of fishing boat. You can do a little bit of both. If you split your time 50-50, this is a great option because you do have a lot of seating, but then you do have the fishability of the boat as well. I will point out as we're here, these backrests, you can flip these up and have them supported to the front, so someone could be lounging right there. And then if you want to just flip that back off to the side, you do have something that you can lean against if you're fishing, give you a little bit more height. That way you're not going to go over the edge of the boat. Down underneath the console here, we do have the covers. Also has the table that goes up in the front there, so if you wanted to have some kind of meal or anything while you're out on the water, you can do that. And then obviously your toilet and your bow filler cushion are down there as well. As you continue down, again, I'll point out the nice height of the sides here. And you can see I'm 6'2" again. You can see that it's nice and high up my thigh. So very safe if you have kids or little ones. It's nice for that because you don't have to worry about them going over the boat, which is obviously something that you don't want to happen. Up here at the helm, notice the nice flip-up bolsters there. This one does happen to come with the Garmin screen. You also get your Mercury vessel view there. Nice digital shift, very easy and smooth in and out of gear. No wires to worry about. It is fly-by-wire. Fusion stereo. All your lights, this boat lights up real nice. It's got blue lighting at night. Storage capabilities of this boat are great underneath the down under the helm there. You can tilt the steering wheel, so if you wanted to be riding standing up or sitting down, however you want to do that, you can. And then we also do have these covers. I just popped them off just to show you the screen, so you can cover the boat up when you're away from it, keep it nice and clean and fresh looking as it is right now. As we swing around back to the transom, we do have some jump seats that go in on either side. So again, like I said, if you're set up for fishing that day, you can take those out, have a little bit more room for people to walk around, or if you're hanging out with the family, you do have those seats that you can put in. Again, family aspect, nice ski tow bar here. You can have that if your kids want to do skiing or water sports, anything like that. And then again, when you're fishing, that just goes away, gets out of the way. You don't have to worry about anything getting snagged on there. Live well across the back there. Got a nice measuring thing here for measuring your fish. Some storage areas for knives and pliers and stuff like that on all sides. And then rod holders all across the back. This boat is equipped with the Mercury 200. Great power option for this boat, going to get you up on plane nice and easy. Again, able to pull some tubers or some skiers, whatever you wanted to do. And then the last nice thing I'll point out, on a 22-foot boat, you get that solid hardtop. No vinyl or anything like that. They have to retie every couple years. Just a great coverage option. It does have a lot of coverage as well, so if you wanted to get out of the sun, take a break from getting beat down by that during the day, you can do that. So again, this is a brand new 2022 Sailfish 220 center console. If you wanted to see this boat in person or you have any questions about it, give us a call at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water. Flip that.